My name is Paul from Appliance Service by Paul, located in Salt Lake City, Utah. And today we're going to talk about delinting your dryer. Why is it important to delint a dryer? For several reasons. One, your dryer will operate more efficiently. Two, you'll save energy. And three, it makes it safer. You won't have to worry about lint filters. Cleaning a dryer is very easily. When you obtain a brush similar to this, you can pick these up at Home Depot or any home improvement store. Simply open the door, remove the lint filter, take the brush, and gently, don't force it, into the opening and just brush this area out. You see the lint come out of this? Press the brush in, pull it out. Be gentle, you don't have to force it. If it doesn't move easily, then move it to another location. The brush will pick up the larger pieces of lint. Don't worry about the smaller ones that fall in there. I'll show you how to take care of those. Once you've done this process, return the lint filter to its proper position, close the door, set your dryer for an air fluff or no heat cycle, and turn it on. All that loose lint that you just broke loose with this brush will then go out your exhaust pipe and out of your house. You don't have to deal with it. And we've cleaned out the lint filter and the ducting to the blower. Different makes and models of dryers have their lint filters located in different positions. This one's located on top. Of course, if you own this dryer, you already know how to do this. Take the brush, again, go down there as far as you can. We like this long handle brush because I don't worry about you accidentally losing it in the dryer. Again, once you've done that, return the lint filter to its rightful place, turn the dryer on, and start it. The lint will go out. Here's another dryer with a different type of lint filter. Open the door, and as you see right here, clean before each load. This is very important to do to prevent lint from getting your dryer. And generally, we don't want to take this out with clothes in it, so don't follow that example. As you can see, there's a little trap door here, and this brush, even though it's wide, fits right down in here and allows us to clean that and loosen it. I'm Paul with Appliance Service by Paul, and we just talked about how to delint your dryer.